Are you just gonna sit there for my entire video? You know? Anyway, welcome to the first post midnight session, and today I'm gonna be talking about The Voice India. Now, don't get me wrong, I was actually really excited for this. I love Sunidhi Chauhan, I love Shan, I've heard Mika, he's nice. I'm sure Himesh is a good singer, I just. Anyway, I watched the first episode, and I'm like, oh my god, finally there's gonna be a show in India about music and just the vocals. Yeah, and I turned out to be very wrong. So here's the issues that I have with The Voice India. Number one, they keep saying The Voice. The Voice. This is the best show. It's called The Voice. And the worst part is some of the judges are saying it. Not even the people the contestants. My second issue with this show. It's too long. Don't mind me. I love long reality TV shows, episodes. But I don't mind it being a long episode, but don't make me feel like it's a long episode. The first contestant, how much time did they spend? She got a 3-chair turn, and I'm like, wow, nice, impressive. Okay, now pick your person. And she's just like, hmm. Gosh! And then in the end, she picks someone, and then the person says,
"Oh, did you change your mind all of a sudden?"
And then she's like,
No, I wanted to pick you from the beginning. No, I wanted to pick you from the beginning.
So I'm like, girl, if you wanted to pick him from the beginning, why didn't you just say so? The third and the most important issue of The Voice India, the issue that inspired me to make this video, was it's too big. It's too elaborate. You know what? It's supposed to be just about the voice. Then why have the judges entered flying from the sky, coming out of the gate, coming out of the ground, coming out of a tree? I don't understand. They're telling us that it's supposed to be just about the voice. We're here to listen, and we're supposed to get into the music by listening to the voice, not by flying from the sky and coming out of a freaking tree. That just kills the whole purpose of it. That is the reason I made this video, to tell you that it's about the voice. It's not about how you enter from the show and then say, oh my god, that was such a good performance, the perfect performance, and you singing properly. You idiot, don't lip sync. Gosh, the lip syncing and singing is just about the voice. If it's just about the voice, why are you lip syncing? Why can't you sing live like they do in the proper voice? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then share it with your friends, and also leave comments below saying that, do you like The Voice India? I like The Voice India. It's just I have these 3 issues which are just really buzzkills on the show, and share them so that the judges can know and the creators can know. And also comment what you want me to do next time, and tell me if you like these midnight sessions, post midnight sessions, and also tell me if you want me to collaborate with this monster again. Anyways, I hope you had fun watching this video. Puppy Panda loves you.